Hello everyone, this is Shagun Singh, and this time we are going to do an experiment to see the Tyndall effect. So here we have a beaker filled with normal water. Now let us pass a beam of light to see whether it is a suspension or a colloidal solution. So here we can see that the ray is getting refracted in a straight line, which means water is a suspension solution, as the scattering of light only occurs in a colloidal solution. So now let us make it colloidal solution by adding milk to it. As the particles of milk will be between 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer. Now let us pass a beam of light through it to see the scattering of light. So here we can see that the light is not getting passed through the next point and is getting scattered in the solution itself. This scattering of light is known as Tyndall effect. So hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you very much for watching.